All right, here we go. We have a Panda Brunch taco here. Notice the flavors. Notice the colors that we have here. So we have some tomato, some, what was that, a parsley, basil, cilantro, avocado, tomato, potatoes. Oh my gosh. Delicious. Flavors are amazing. So good. So easy to make. Abe, how long did it take you to whip this thing together? Not too long. Delicious. I know this save us. There's Ava. There's Ava's beautiful bowl. So good. Unbelievable. Look at that. Digging in. Oh. Alright, we're back.
Okay.
We are live. What do you think? Delicious?
Wait, you're in heaven and you guys all died?
I like all my food.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go back down. I'm pretty good.
I knew this would be good though.
Now, more two.
Legit.
No,
It's pretty
two
cool.
over.
Alright, we're out.